Okay, so we got the faucet here, and it keeps leaking where the spout reaches the main body of the faucet right in here. Nathan Cox here, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Okay, so I know the lighting here isn't the best, but what I was talking about, right, running the water here, now pay attention to like here and here when I move it. Okay, you see all that water coming out? Okay, that's bad. Okay, simply put, there's a couple O-rings in here, okay, here and here, which seal that, and what's happening is they're not sealing, okay? Now, it stays pretty dry when you don't move it, but when you move it, it does that. So what that's telling me is that the O-rings are probably okay, probably not the very best shape, but they have no lubricant on them. So as soon as you move this, it's causing them to twist and kind of buckle inside there, and that's why it squirts out whenever you move this. So let's get this fixed. So first thing first is we're going to shut the water off. Okay, for the most part, the tools you're going to need is some kind of an Allen wrench. Deciding, we're going to have to figure out which size this one is. You're going to probably want a rag around here, because when you take this up, it's going to kind of spill out. Okay, so it's not going to get water everywhere. And then we're going to need some silicone grease, okay? Some silicone grease, and that's what's going to grease the O-rings. Now, you can get these things. We'll have Amazon links in the description down below, so that you can get the exact items that we're using here. Plus, it helps support the channel and all that stuff. Okay, pop that off. And I'm going to start with metric on this one here. Okay, see, so that easily just slides off. We got our little handle stem here, and then this top here, normally, these are all basically the same generally. So this is going to unscrew, come off, and here's our cartridge. That actually looks like possibly a ceramic disc cartridge. That might be nice. Okay. Just going to set that to the side. Now we're going to lift this up. Okay. We got a nylon washer on the bottom. We'll put that back in place there. That helps it to slide against so it's not metal on metal. Okay. And we got a big O-ring down here, and then a good sized one right there. Okay, so let's get some paper towels on that. Okay, we just want to kind of dry them off and clean them up real quick there. They're not the best shape there, but I don't have any rebuild kits with me, and you have to take this down to a plumbing supply to match those up. So what we're going to do is we're going to hope that just greasing them is going to be good enough. So let's put a good amount of grease on them. Okay, now we should be pretty much done right there. It's greased up real good. We're going to slide this down. Oh, already you can tell a huge difference on its ability to move. Okay, now we can't forget to put the cartridge back in. Luckily this one lines up really easy. There's 2 notches in the back, so you really can't get that wrong. Slide this back in, screw it on. Oh boy, that just turns a lot better. Okay, I'm going to put the handle back in, and then we're going to test it, make sure all the leaks are gone. One quick tip, after you shut your little shutoffs off and then back on again, make sure that they're not leaking, okay? Sometimes the old shutoffs, you multi-turn ones, you can turn them, and then when you do that, then they start to leak a little bit, so just double check those. Okay, turn the water on, and we're going to pay attention here, and there's no water leaking at all. So we did it, we fixed it. Okay, so thanks again for joining us for this short video. As you can see, this was a simple fix, not too hard. You just gotta double check, make sure nothing's leaking when you're done. With the faucet, it's working so much better now. It's easy to turn, it doesn't squirt out water all over the place, making a mess when you move it. So if you like this, please share it. Please subscribe to my channel, I'll put that up there, along with a link to my website. So many more videos to check out. And then another video for you guys to watch over there as well. Thanks again so much for watching.